How do people live over here? They just walk all this way and then they bring food or what?
Huh?
How do people live over here? They just bring the food all the way over here?
No.
Oh my God, it's too much. You used to live up here?
My grandma.
Oh. Oh my God, look at this. It's actually pretty cool over here. We used to live up here. I got, I got, I think there's like more. Wow, look at that mountain up ahead. You could see some cell phone towers over there actually. So there was a motorbike that came this way. Maybe they're going somewhere. There's like a passage all the way over there. Yeah, you should have seen. You should have seen where we're walking, and then we seen some caballos. There was a big one and a little one, and I was like, oh, that's the mama. And then they were like, yeah, yeah. And the little one was in front of us, so he kept walking in front of us. And then all of a sudden we heard the mama go, "Ee!" The mama was going, "Ee!" Like screaming like a caballo. And then it started coming behind us, and I was like, oh, hell no. But it was tied. It was tied, and then the little caballo started running. Oh man, it started running back towards us. There you go. Can't believe they're resting so much. Oh wow. I got on something big. Oh wow. Yeah, the little, like, I had the phone like this, right? I was recording. I was blogging because I've been blogging. And then they started running towards us. Here she goes. Where's your Lola right there? Mariafe said hi.
Hello, nasa atin. Mato ni sa boss, mga tambiZ. Si ating comment.
Comment, yeah.
Ay, kaya ka tuloy niya sila.
I know, I can't believe I had signal either. I'm like, what's going on?
Parang balay diya na, kung sino mo na.
Wow, look at all those streets. Oh shit, there's another house over there? Oh no. Look at that house over there. Whoa, turn. Man, so many people live over here. Oh no, it's too far to go to the market and come back. tambiZ, what is tambiZ? It's gonna be a fruit, right? I had a feeling. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that lot over there. There's like a little caretaker home or something. But you see, right there to right there is flat. You could have a nice little house right there. Wow. Oh shit, there's another house over here. Yeah, I figured it was like a fruit because they have the knife and the bucket. And my wife is walking all the way over here, so I was like, there's gotta be a reason they're coming. Because she said their house is there no more. Look, there's more over there. Yeah, I loved being there when I was a kid. You're still a kid. You need to come back. We're always kids at heart. Well, here goes someone else's house.